Hello team. I guess you got all the requirements and I already shared you two different titles. One is on augmented reality and another one on data science. Okay, so this is a sample proposal that we provide while like when somebody asks us some kind of when an organization or a client requests for a proposal kind of thing. So we will be providing this kind of document. Okay, so we critically evaluate does our project contain any social, legal and ethical issues or not. Like makes sometimes client మనల్ని a different project ni కోసం approach అవ్వచ్చు. So what we do is like we will be evaluating it before we submit it. All right, so దీనిలో ఏంటి అంటే we need to speak about what is our main project topic. So మీరు నాకు submit చేస్తారు. So this is my proposal. So for data science, we will be collecting different types of project. We do different types of research activities, and as a part of that, మీకు ఒక టాపిక్ allocate చేస్తుంటాం. ఆ టాపిక్ ని you are supposed to evaluate. Okay, what is the project topic? So కొంచెం literature review ని బేస్ చేసుకొని already description ఇచ్చి ఉంటాం. దాన్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని you might get some idea. దాన్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని you will be developing a small literature review and you speak about what is the actual problem and how you are going to resolve it. Right. The next section speaks about overall aim, the aim of the project, and next the objectives of the project. So we write about research questions and we give one in-text citation and we try to brief that in-text citation. So like annotations. Okay. So while annotations we write okay, a paragraph of description of the in-text site. So ఏదైతే reference మనం తీసుకుంటామో that reference should exactly relate to your project topic. Okay, so after that you write project plan. Okay, then you speak about social, legal and ethical feasibilities of the research study. Let me show you a proposal and explain you. It will be better. Okay, so this is the topic that I had created. So the topic ఏంటంటే we use image processing algorithm and machine learning. So it's a machine learning related project. So మనం machine learning use చేసుకొని we will be assessing image processing and we will be detecting evaluating driver's face to decide whether driver is in drowsiness or not. Okay, so మనం identify చేసినప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేసి చెప్తున్నాం అంటే we will be developing a application, a system. A system ఏం చేస్తుందంటే it will be detecting the driver drowsiness and it automatically hibernates the vehicle that the user is that the driver is driving. So it wants the driver to take vehicle to the left and stop the vehicle. Okay, so ఒకసారి driver ఆఫ్ చేశారంటే it will stay at least 30 minutes దాన్ని halt చేసి 30 minutes దాకా vehicle start అవ్వకుండా it will be set. All right, so దీన్ని ఇంకా మనం ఆటోమేట్ చేయొచ్చు. సో ఈ టాపిక్ ఇక్కడ దాకా మనం క్లోజ్ చేస్తాం. దిస్ ఇస్ ద స్టేజ్. ఈ స్టేజ్ వరకే మనం we do research అంటే దాన్ని మనం ప్రాజెక్ట్ స్కోప్ అంటాం. మనం చెక్ చేస్తే we give brief project టాపిక్ లో we give brief explanation about introduction to road accidents and why road accidents are happening, and we also speak about importance of this research to avoid accidents and society upliftment kosam and improvements in the society kosam a project ente important we speak. Okay, so importance of the project will be discussed in this section. Next, overall aim, the main aim of the project will be explained here. Then what are the important objectives as a part of completing the main aim is discussed over here. Okay, వీటిని బేస్ చేసుకొని you will be developing your own research. Next, research questions. Some of the important questions that help us to conduct the research and conclude about the research that will be discussed here. Next section వచ్చేసరికి citation. I gave some citation and I gave brief explanation about the project. So this should be at least 100 words or 100 to 100 plus words ఉండాలి దీనిలో ఖచ్చితంగా. Usually we write 200 words, right? So if you make it specific and if you write 100 words plus, it is fine. Next, this is what we call project plan, a Gantt chart. So we included some of the information related to the project. Okay, so it's very clear. I guess if you already did one task on this one, so you can fix this one. If you check this, it is very clearly related to your project. Okay, next social and legal. One or two lines is enough to explain this. So we speak what is legal feasibility and whether your project is legally acceptable or not, and social feasibility, ethical feasibility. So while writing this section, please come to me. We can discuss about these three factors and how they are going to impact your research. All right. So that's it, team. Please try to fix it as quick as possible. Thank you. Thank you very much. So total document size is 1000 words. Don't forget. Thank you.